Hi, good morning. Sir, pakilala ka, sir.
Sige, I'm John po. I'm one of the co-founders of Kapilumad from Bukidnon. We're basically selling coffee drips, coffee capsules, and beans and all those stuff.
So, coffee beans and capsules
Capsules and drips po.
and drips.
But what we're bringing here on top of that is also our device. It's a coffee
device.
sensing device.
Cafe Sense.
Coffee sensing device for aroma and the pH level of the coffee.
Coffee Sensing Device.
Coffee sensing
Of,
device.
para sa aroma,
And pH.
pH. Okay. So, gadget siya.
Device po, yes, definitely. Hardware.
Okay. Sige, tell us more.
Okay, so ito yung mangyayari, sir. On top of that, kasi most of the farmers, yun nga, nasabi ko kanina, we sell coffee in a commodity way, meaning all in, parang ganon. It's like the typical commodity, but actually coffee is one of the high value crops. So yun with our initiative, we kind of like empower farmers para to really value more. Aside from understanding more, value more yung coffee nila. Kasi kahit piso lang sir masayang masaya na sa farmer. How much if we add at least 20 to 30% on that value because of really understanding. Problem kasi yun we, not just as farmers but the buyers themselves, they value our coffee very less.
So, magiging users nito is mga farmers itself.
Definitely, farmers.
So, you're selling this to them? Ganun ba?
Yes, we're selling this to them.
So, can you tell us how much?
For now, sir, we are co-building with different agencies. I cannot really disclose pa more of the information unless we finally have that agreement na with the specific agency na nagsusupport sa amin. But because we have targeted farmers na, siguro we're looking at not really for commercialization muna, but very direct implementation with identified partner farmers para they can really adapt and use it by themselves. Ganyan muna yung target natin.
Wala bang naisip na ano yung actual value na sa tingin mo is magiging affordable naman sa kanila?
Yeah, it's very, well, aside from direct farmers that will buy the device itself, ang target namin are cooperatives. For one device, probably mga 8 to 10 farmers are benefiting. So it's up to the agreement na on the specific cooperative how much yung ipopurchase nila for their farmers to really use. So yun yung market addressing or strategy na gagawin muna namin to really fully implement this nationwide.
So, from Bukidnon ka, sir, no?
Bukidnon. Napuntahan ng Mindanao, sir, wala pa.
Ha?
Wala pa kakapunta ng Mindanao, wala pa.
Ano to, sir?
Wala pa, hindi pa ka napunta ng Mindanao.
Punta na, sir. Lagi akong Davao, Cotabato, Iligan.
So, nakadaan ka na ng Bukidnon. If you're going through...
Pero,
wala pa.
directly sa Bukidnon, hindi pa. Oo. Yun. Kaya, sa ko ba narinig ang Bukidnon? Ano yung pinaka-product ninyo?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Pineapple. Yan.
So ngayon, sir, ang pinaka-habol dito sa Philippine Startup Week is only for awareness pa lang or
Sir, we're looking to pre-commercialization. Yung na-mention ko kanina, we're looking for support for co-building the device itself. I have talked to DTI na just now lang. So probably we can weigh up the support.
you're looking for support.
Yes.
So either from the government
Yes, from
or from private
the
organizations.
best support that we can have is really from the government, specific agencies. And also we're looking to partner with academies. But in our own place naman, our academe there is very supportive naman. But since we are implementing this nationwide, we are also very open to other agencies and academies.
So this is just parang ano lang to, parang hindi pa ito yung actual, di ba? Wala naman itong
Yes, sir.
parang ano pa lang
This is
yan?
the prototype.
Prototype pa lang yan,
Yes,
body.
This is the prototype body.
Ito ba yung actual or yan ang
Yes,
proposed?
ito yung actual, sir.
So wala pang nabubuo na actual.
Meron na sir na, well, the inside is already meron na.
Meron na.
The software and all, meron na. We kind of like parang adjustment pa to really lower the cost. That's why we're asking for co-building partnerships. Para naman na, yun nga, because we're very small, sabi ko, we cannot really, and also we're supporting very small people, small older farmers. Sabi ko, we need to have this like as very less costly as possible.
So right now, parang self-supporting pa lang kayo?
Yes sir, we're
bootstrapping.
Bootstrapping. But although on the other side of the spectrum, sa corporation namin itself, we're kind of like floating naman because of our products. We really sell coffee.
Ito yung
Yes, ito yung pinaka-base
main product muna.
Cafe
Lumad.
Yes, this is a very base natin.
So parang you just sell the product. Wala pa kayong coffee shop, actual coffee shop.
We don't do that, sir. Sir, madugong labanan yan, sir. We don't do service. We do product-oriented. Sir, ang dami na. Parang kabuti na yung mga coffee shops.
Kaya nga, di ba?
Ayoko na.
Ang dami.
Sir. Sabi ko, why not just support them? So, we sell beans.
Pero, eto yung mga product, marami na kayong client.
Yes, sir. Meron.
Sa mga coffee shops na yun.
Yes, sir. Meron.
So, for example, how many coffee shops pa sa Bukidnon?
Well, sir, in Bukidnon alone, we have 5. And then outside Bukidnon, we have like 15 or 10.
And then, out of those 15, ilan ang client nyo?
Yun na, sir. Sila
Silang lahat?
Tapos they buy, well, ngayon, sir, we are consuming around 1 to 2 tons per month coffee.
Nice.
We have a client in Visayas. So, 1 to 2 months.
Wala pa dito sa Philippines, ano yan, sa NCR.
Wala pa kami NCR, sir. We're looking for support sa NCR. Baka may gusto dito sa NCR to really buy our coffee. Can support.
Dito rin, dami ng kape.
Yeah. From Benguet. From Benguet or imported, di ba?
Kalinga.
But in terms of the volume naman, Bukidnon ranks 4th, Benguet less than or above 5. Maliit lang yung production ng Benguet. That's why we truly understand also yung competitor namin dito in terms of coffee beans, imported Vietnam and South America. Hindi natin competitor si Benguet because locally, sir, as far as all of us are concerned, 95% sir of our coffee is being imported, 5% lang ang consumption, sir. So hindi tayo nagkukompetensya with all of the farmers nationwide. Wala, sir. Kulang na kulang yung kape natin sa Pilipinas. Kulang na kulang. So ang daming opportunity for really selling coffee.
So ngayon, sir, ano pinaka-direction natin? You're still looking for partners to co-develop the product, di ba?
Yeah, for the device itself. BTI has been stating their support na hopefully we can move forward with that.
Magkakaroon ba ng pitching? Magkakaroon ng pitching?
Iba ata yun, sir. Mga iba ata yun. Identified startups kasi siguro. Identified startups yun.
Kasi tomorrow magkakaroon ng pitching naman for environmental startups.
Parang identified
climate startups. So, hindi lahat kayo magkakaroon ng opportunity.
But it's really a good opportunity na not to be here. We can really seek support, network, and all.
Pero, since bago to, parang hindi masyadong pumunta pa ang tao
Event, no? Kulang na kulang pa yung information din. As far as nakita mo naman din, today is opening day, but we're having parang medyo late lang yung turnaround siguro. But I don't know, maybe later in the afternoon, tomorrow.
It's new kasi bago Kaya, compared sa SMX,
yung location.
Diba, location. It's parang siyang residential area
Correct.
It's not a commercial area
Correct, sir. Siguro nga, sir, this is...
Well, anyway, good luck.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.